only Indian students used to take SAT when they were wanting to go and study abroad. I have dreams. If my dream is aligned with what the organizational dreams are, then both have a win-win.
And you're a leader,
Yeah.
who is enabling people to fulfill their dreams.
So PSAT or PSAT is taken in grade 8, 9, 10 and 11. So you can build up your structure. If you are working in an entrepreneurial setup, you have to be an entrepreneur yourself. Even if you've not invested money into that, but that mindset has to be there.
Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to yet another episode of The Living Pod by Saurabh. Where we talk about leaders who might be an entrepreneur or who might be, a stalwart or a thought leader in study abroad or global mobility as a theme. Wherein I have theme wherein we talk about live, learn, achieve. Because when you live nicely or thoroughly, you learn. When you learn, you will definitely achieve. And when you achieve, you will stay happy. And this is a theme how today's guest, who is, I have not met her, but we know each other, through common friends. And we know that, a couple of companies we've been working as a partners, they've been there. So allow me to introduce today's guest, Meenakshi Khashuri Chatta. That's why I don't introduce her because you're a, it seems she's a Kashmiri, and we talk about that, because I know Kashmiri are very proud of their legacy, and so yeah, let's get started. Should I call you educator?
You can call me educator.
How do you define yourself? It will also, probably I'll think, great.
Very good question.
Yeah.
Right at the start, you put me on a spot, Saurabh. Well, I do not call myself as an educator. I call myself as a business development professional more, who's done a lot of collaborations, a lot of partnerships, because that's what I've done in my entire, I would say, 25 years of work experience. So I started with the HR and corporate communications, and then moved on to international business. And when it started, the international business point started, then I thrived into partnerships, into collaborations. And right now at College Board also, I think all this comes as a leader because you have to deal with human resource, you have to deal with educators, you have to deal with partnerships, you have to cultivate licensing relationships with ministries, with universities, with schools. So you need to have all these kinds of portfolios with you, even if you're not master of everything, but you need to know basics about all these things.
If you want to define yourself as a human being, and I believe we bucket ourselves or we box ourselves, right? But as a human being, how you would like to be defined, or when you meet someone in a get together or a party or family, people might not know what is College Board. People might not what Meenakshi does or have been doing it, right? So then how people perceive you or how you define yourself?
I would like to be perceived as, or I would like to define myself as a very positive, resilient professional, I would say, with high ambitions.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from the erstwhile state, Jammu and Kashmir, particularly from Srinagar.
Oh wow!
And yeah, but born and brought up in Delhi.
I keep telling this, I'm doing this to genuinely to learn about people's journeys. I firmly believe that if someone has spent 25 years, how can I learn what not to do, what to do, That's my vested interest of doing this podcast. And we know we have an audience which is probably as young as 14 and as old as probably 60 or probably 80, I don't know.
Sure.
We have an audience from India, speaking Hindi, English, Punjabi, XYZ. We also have a global audience, who've been following us. They might be educators, they might be university VCs or DVCs. There are some investors who keep a tab, who want to keep a tab on what's happening in this market, or especially higher education. And it just happened that probably got an opportunity to cover right from lots of stakeholders in the industry, right from agency owners or education partners, university reps, professionals like you, investors who've been investing in this industry, students, career counselors, So by virtue of that, I guess idea is how we can cover this space, and I call this space as a global mobility. It can be through immigration, it can be through education, right? You want to share your thoughts? How did you come in this industry?
Sure.
then how did you navigate the industry? Because the industry can be very simple, but it's very layered. Your journey.
Yeah, so international education was by an opportunity. So when I joined TCY Online in roughly around 2001, I was in the HR and corporate communication space, and then with God's blessings, I got pregnant. I had a daughter at that time. And then my goal shifted because I was also given an opportunity to work from home by my ex-employer, and which was a great
Kamal-
thing.
Kamal
Kamal
ji.
Vatera from TCY
yeah,
Online, which
yeah.
was a great thing because from a small city in Ludhiana, I was given an opportunity wherever you are, you can work from home. And I had shifted to Noida at that point of time. So about 16 years before COVID, I did work from home, and I'm doing that still because it continued with College Board as well. So talking about my professional journey, I donned various hats when I was at TCY Online because it was a startup. And Saurabh, you have gone through this, so you know about this phase very well. When you have a lean team, you're a startup, you don't want to invest lot many resources. So whatever team you have, you want to
Optimize
extract the
it.
best
Yes,
of it,
yes.
optimize the best of it. So yeah, I done various hats from HR, partnerships, school visits, and then we started international business with online tutoring because that time it was a No Child Left Behind law by Barack Obama. That gave us a lot of opportunity into online tutoring business. Uh, Post that, I started study abroad division in TCY Online right from scratch. So university partnerships, uh, study abroad consultants partnerships, all that was done. From there started the journey of the international education space. After working for about 18 years with TCY Online, then I got an opportunity with College Board. So College Board is the owner and the administrator of the SAT exam and the curriculum, the Advanced Placement Program, as well as Big Future. And that's where I am right now in the international education space. So basically, College Board is a not-for-profit organization, and our main aim is to give access for quality higher education to students across the world, and especially to students who are in the remotest parts of the world, also to the remotest parts of the country. We want to give them access to these international exams so that they can go to higher quality higher education institutes, even if it's India or abroad, anywhere.
Superb. Going forward, I will only invite guests who have worked for a couple of companies. It's so easy to track it, and we can go so deep. In fact, I am a firm believer. It happened this way in my career. I start in my first 2 3 of like in my first 5 years, I only changed 2 or 3 companies. And I believe I recommend everyone that in the first 5 years, explore, and understand what you like, what you don't like, what kind of culture you like, whichever city you like. But once you're fortunate enough, I wouldn't unfortunately fortunate also, you attract what your intent is. If you're looking for that 15 20 30% hike every year, you might get it for a year, 2 3 4. But in your career, if you have 5 years, you have changed 4 companies, then you won't get 30%. Then you will be like 10 15%. एक तो मैं ये
True.
पूछता रहता हूँ 30% आया कहाँ से है, right? But I'm a big fan, and I have like I get probably as a founder, where we look for royal people, we look for people who are raising their hands, and I'll do HR also, anything, everything to get the show running. So anyways, you got my respect, and not that you already are eminent personality, but someone, because I firmly believe in today's generation, because of instant gratification, everyone wants पहली जॉब मेरी 15 लाख की लगे, 50 लाख की लगे, 1 करोड़ तो मैं ऐसे ही हो जाऊँ, right? And then I don't blame them also, because if they go abroad, or even if they study in India, they're spending so much of like money that the ROI need to be on their mind. And India is a value seeking economy. What took you, and there's so many of thoughts I have in my mind, and thank you for being so patient. The theme wherein work for home. So we talk about work for home. There's a theme wherein you stick with a company for 18 years,
Yeah.
and I give more credit to Kamalji, because a
Absolutely.
founder giving you even opportunity and keeping you stimulated, and like creating value and making you grow. Along with, it's like it's not one way. Along you've been seeking, along you've been patient, along with you stick around in ups and downs of the business, and and now people say, oh, TCY online to college board, you must be lucky. But people don't say that luck you have created by being one company for 18 years, doing anything, everything for that company. Whether you were a young mother, or probably you are your mother of
Two.
two, and how young are they?
So one is 21 years old and the other is 16 years old.
Yeah.
Boy.
So you have seen that journey, right? And then big shout out to women like you, who have not given to the situation. Oh, I have now. I'm a mother. I let me have only time to family, and don't take care of their careers, or probably. And I know it's very. I'm not judging it here, because it's very subjective. But so many thoughts, right? So let's focus on when you join TCY online. It just happened. You were lucky to get a boss or a leader, which nurtured you. But you didn't let it be complacent. That okay, I have a good boss who seems to be human. And founders are not good people.
Kamal didn't allow that also, that people could be complacent. Because as a startup founder,
We don't have option.
people are very, I mean,
Frugal.
it's
We don't have
hard.
option.
It's hard
Yeah,
to.
we don't have option.
Absolutely.
Even today with 400 people team, imagine if there is 1 hour of electricity, 400 into 1 hour is 400 hours. Divided by whatever, it's like 5-10 people resources gone.
True.
So then people like, oh, this guy, or why leaders are so frugal, why leaders are always talking money minded, why leaders are always calculating ROIs. Because end of the day, if the salaries are not being paid on time, if business don't grow, I still remember when the COVID happened, there were 70 people team. 2 people came and say like, you didn't know COVID won't happen. You didn't plan for it. And I don't blame them, because there was one guy who was probably having EMIs and taking care of their family, and the second who it was their first job. And I reach out to them like कि देखो 2 option है, या तो हम 2 कम करते हैं या salary cut करते हैं. And दोनों option was not easy. Back to your story.
So I like the electricity example because I don't know if Kamal remembers or not, but in my interview, I gave him the same example when he asked me, a question between what is the difference between an entrepreneur and an employee. So I told him the same, and I also truly believe that if an individual has a dream, suppose I have dreams, if my dream is aligned with what the organizational dreams are, then both have a win-win. So we should always think like that, and then both can grow. So if you are working in an entrepreneurial setup, you have to be an entrepreneur yourself. Even if you've not invested money into that, but that mindset has to be there. That
But वो mindset
ज़्यादा
बनता नहीं
waste नहीं
ना, वो
करना
mindset
है,
बनता
ज़्यादा
नहीं ना,
खर्चा नहीं करना है,
वो mindset बनता नहीं
profit
ना,
बनाना है.
वो बनता नहीं ना mindset कि अब तो ये एक थीम चलती है, why you need to work hard for someone else, why अभी वो Shark Tank का बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा था कि अपने बॉस golf खेलेगा, तू घिस, negative sells, right? And it was very creative. But also think for founder mind, and I'm not even justifying it, because I'm been blessed to have worked for 4 or 5 years from the other side of the table, right? So that time I didn't realize कि यार लाइट खुली है, छुट्टी ले लो, right? काम नहीं हो तो नहीं हुआ, right? But then मुझे टाइम से पैसा चाहिए, मुझे ग्रोथ भी चाहिए, 30% भी चाहिए, मुझे पक्ष भी चाहिए. So coming from that background, नहीं बनता mindset.
But like individual पे होता है.
But everyone,
I've seen individuals still. I've seen individuals in the resumes who do not even work for a company for 2 years, 3 years. 2 years हो गया, बहुत हो गया. Let's go and find another one. But I would not like to employ such people, because then you're nowhere. Then you're looking for another person after 2 years, and you know that.
And then पता है उनके लिए भी गलत है कि आपने किसी को हायर किया, देर से हम तो 10 साल के लिए आएंगे, हम तो लाइफ में रहेंगे, आप भी कहोगे हाँ यार शुरू करते हैं. You will also not give all the responsibility, not intentionally, but that's a human behavior. Yeah. That I'll give you some responsibility. And other person also like, हाँ मैं लाइफ टाइम रहूँगा, आपके साथ 5 साल रहूँगा, 3 साल रहूँगा. And then they also not get the enough opportunity to shine and grow. And eventually it's loss for both the parties.
Yes.
So but ये mindset बनता नहीं ना, मतलब नहीं बनता. मैं कुछ भी बोलो, आप कुछ भी बोलो, like 10 में से 1-2 ऐसे लोग मिल जाते हैं, करते हैं.
नहीं बनता.
But फिर उनका ग्रोथ भी नहीं होती.
उनकी ग्रोथ भी नहीं होती.
फिर वो ROI नहीं निकलता उनके एजुकेशन का. And education is expensive.
So it is both ways. I mean, if you want to grow and if you want a stable lifestyle, then you can be stable in one organization also. But then, like you said, there are people now, there are children who do not have that kind of a patience and they want jumps fast, they want growth fast, they want first opportunity में ही उनको मिल जाए, crores का per annum का package. So there are people like that also. It depends upon how and where are you working. So coming back to TCY Online, yes, Kamal gave us those opportunities and
You see,
I was part of
yeah.
that core team. Again, it works both ways. So Kamal gave us an opportunity, but we also took the opportunity. We didn't say that नहीं नहीं बहुत हो गया, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकती मैं, इतनी सैलरी देते हो, इतना ही काम होगा, I cannot work more than this. वो नहीं था ना, because I had at least that learning attitude. I wanted to learn more. I wanted to do more. And it was like a family. So it was like, अरे TCY बढ़ेगा तो हम भी बढ़ेंगे. Simple as that.
Did you get?
I never thought
did
of
you get
going
ESOPs?
anywhere else.
Did you get ESOPs?
Not really, because
They never raised funds and yeah.
Yes. But we were, still the core team is being told. So whoever is there, they would still get it. When I left the organization, I was clear that yes, I'm leaving this part of ESOPs, but I still want to have some growth. So I want to join College Board. But yeah, people in the core team would.
Fair bit. Then why College Board? Why did you move? Because जब 15 साल से रह जाते हो फिर उन्हें लगता है तो मेरा ही है, मैं फैमिली अब मैं क्या ही करूँगी, अब मैं क्या ही करूँ, क्यों छोड़ना है मुझे. It must not be an easy decision for you.
It was not.
क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ?
So College Board के लिए छोड़ा था. Decision भी easy नहीं था. But yes, at one point of time I felt that I've given a lot, many years to TCY Online, and as far as my age is concerned, I have few years left to see or learn in the industry new things, which I felt now is the time that I should take up. And then TCY Online had, the other
Established.
colleagues were there, and now it wasn't like अगर मैं छोड़ दूँगी तो क्या होगा, things will not work. So that is the reason when I told Kamal that, okay, now I want to see something else. I don't have a job. So when I resigned, I didn't have a job.
Oh.
I just resigned. Of course, couple of resignation letters were just thrown away. And he said, no, nothing doing. And then after 6 months, I then again went to him and he said, okay. So then we mutually decided 3 years. So I gave again 3 years. And then once those 3 years were about to be finished, then I started looking for a job. So it wasn't like College Board ke liye choda, but pehle choda. But incidentally, before my resignation time or notice was to be over, College Board came into picture.
Amazing.
And yes, working in TCY Online for so many departments really helped, because I think that was what clicked during the interview, because I knew the space both from the K-12 side as well as the university side, as well as the industry, more or less. So I think that's what helped.
No, I always say that, people say that I'll go to MIT and Oxford or LSE and get a, I won't say fancy degree, but okay, formal education. Then there were red carpets. If you can afford it, if you are privileged enough or you are smart enough, at least I wasn't when I started, please do it. It helps. We'll talk about this theme that brand matters or course matter or India mein padhna hai, bahar padhna hai.
True.
But totally agree that even if I would like to hire, first of all, College Board been very fortunate to have it, and vice versa it seems, But also, if I'm looking for a leader, let's say to lead my destination or region or country, I will look for someone who gets their hands dirty across.
Yeah.
वो HR भी किया, उसने corporate communication भी किया है, उसने सब कुछ किया है, and that's how you become entrepreneur. You don't become entrepreneur to चल 4 दोस्त मिलते हैं 11 बजे जाते हैं मुझे टेक आता है और मुझे पैसा रेज करना है. तो for very important, if you really want to be a successful entrepreneur, मैं थोड़ा बोल सकता हूँ कि थोड़ा सा तो मुझे पैटर्न और वो प्लेबुक समझ आ रहा है, and we are still very early in our stage or in my journey. एक तो entrepreneur is not for everyone, very clear. Entrepreneur not for everyone. Secondly, as an entrepreneur, you need to learn the art, or you need to naturally be giving or trade. You're okay to compromise, trade off. And the last, जैसे होता है ना, entrepreneur is like a mother. If you are okay, have a Kashmiri pulao or a mutton, korma, and you're okay to cook it, but the last one to eat it, probably you can explore entrepreneurship. If you're okay taking full accountability and ensuring कि कोई भी नहीं है, कोई भी मैं अकेला हूँ, or I will be the first one to come and last one to go, you're okay to be lonely, entrepreneurship for you. But if you're looking for fancy CEO, founder, fundraising, all this, probably the second best option. Join a founder
Oh, yeah.
who have all these things
Oh yeah.
right? And I mean, I follow Buddhism, right? There was a saying or there's a guidance which says tag along to a pine tree. You know, pine tree will grow, you will grow, still doing whatever or intacting your thesis and your thoughts and your, you know, your plus minuses, right? So that will be the second best option, that join a team early on, or probably not very early also. It's not easy and not for everyone, but at least in a way when you say okay, stability, at least salary आएगी, but काम करने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, हर चीज़ करने को मिलेगा, right? You have direct access to founders and management team, very very important. I would say MBA to the best of the university versus joining an early team or a mid-level team or a mid, like let's say 4-5 साल वाले startups with a big TAM, with a big, you know, big good team, founders, some tractions. If I would go back, I will join the second founder or the second option. Then probably, you know, start again or go to MBA and then take 10-15 years. Again, no right wrongs, but can be a theme. Coming back to work from home. 18 साल पहले, you know, मुझे तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम 2018 में सुनने को आता है कि
Most of the people.
राइट? क्या होता था वर्क फ्रॉम, और उस समय वर्क फ्रॉम थोड़ी होता होगा, जब तो कुछ और होता होगा क्या?
नहीं वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही
वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही बोलते थे।
हाँ, पर तब वो था स्टाइप आया था नया
हाँ, जो भी बंद होता था पहले।
So when I started working from home, I was in Dehradun at that time, and when Kamal told me कि wherever you are, you can work from home, and the first question I asked him was, "Are you sure?" Because when I am at home, looking at my bed, I just want to sleep. I cannot work at home. He said, no, let's do this. Why don't you have a separate room, separate office, and have that kind of a discipline? I think that was the best advice anyone could have given me. Till date, Saurav, even if I'm working from home, I have a separate room, I have a separate desk. Every morning, I wake up as if I have to go out. And up to itna nahi, but initially, I used to even wear my heels, take my purse, and then go to that room and sit, so that I have that kind of a feel. My daughter was hardly about 1.5, 2 years. She used to be outside the room. Sometimes my in-laws were there, sometimes they were not there. But she knew Mama ka office hai andar, I cannot disturb. And she used to knock if she had to ask something. I came out and I tended to her.
Wow.
So that's remained my practice till now, that even if it's work from home, it's not like sitting in your living room and doing your work. It is sitting separately from your people, even if there are guests around. They now understand. It's been so many years. But right from day one, I had made it very clear. मेरे रूम में knock नहीं होना चाहिए, चाहे कोई भी आए. You know, you make your tea, you make your khana, whatever you want to do. I will only come out when it's my break time.
एक्सटर्नल वालों को तो संभालना आसान है ना, डिस्टर्ब मत करना, ये मत करना, बट घर पे बैठ तो भी है, तो
हाँ,
इंटरनली आपने कैसे अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन किया?
Yeah, good question. So
It's
जब वो
easy.
room,
It's easier to tell someone don't disturb me.
Yes.
But human beings have a habit of justifying their actions, and they are always right.
actually, that's where this startup founder policy also comes into play, because, of course, Kamal had given this opportunity to me. But then we have made those things as well, that Skype hoga, video calls hoengi, audio calls hoengi, and team meetings hain, because my team was in Ludhiana, I was in Dehradun, and then in Noida. So all these things were into play. And when it's a video call, now you can change the backgrounds in team meetings and Zooms. तब तो नहीं होता था ना, तब
Right.
तो background
जो
used
है
to
वो है.
same the same, जो है सो है. So that's how the
But
discipline
कभी ऐसा
came
नहीं,
in.
कभी फॉल्टर नहीं किया, कभी ऐसा नहीं किया कि 9 घंटे की शिफ्ट है, जो भी शिफ्ट है, राइट? आई जाता ना, खाना खा के नींद आई जाती है, राइट? सी आई टेल माय श्योर, राइट?
हाँ, वो तो 1 घंटे का ब्रेक है ना. So now at least I have 1 hour break. उस समय तो half an hour ही होता था TCY में. So नहीं, कभी
But-
fault नहीं हुआ.
See, I tell you, where I'm coming. I'm not trying to put you on the spot, right? Whenever I work from home, मुझे गिल्ट होता है कि यार मेरे कॉलीग क्या देख रहे हो, सोच रहे होगे. There are time when I'm ill, I'm standing and so I have a standing desk now, right? And COVID के टाइम पे पता नहीं बैठने का था, तो भी standing desk ही था. इनफैक्ट मुझे तो I'm a very visual guy, right? I don't know, it's not about me, but it's your podcast, but I'm not able to stop myself. I trust everyone, trust no one, including myself. Human beings are very complex. When it comes to us, we have justification, and when we comes to other, we're like, तू गलत कर रहा है, तेरी गलती है, right? आसान है blame game करना. But there were time when मैंने बेड देखा तो मैंने कहा थोड़ा तो रेस्ट कर लेता हूँ यार. वो अलग बात है, रेस्ट करते हो मुझे गिल्ट हो रहा है कि यार मेरी टीम काम कर रही है,
हाँ.
यू नो, और तू सो रहा है. जबकि जस्टिफाई मेरे दिमाग कैसे कर रहा था, यार तू तो 4 बजे काम कर रहा था, तो 15 मिनट लीन ले लो तो क्या दिक्कत है, राइट. बट एक हार्ट वाज सेइंग कि नहीं यार गलत तो है. And it's not right and wrong, it's not easy, and there are ways. So now what I do, you know, I trust everyone, you know, and then I see the patterns, then I see that काम हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, आंखें बंद कर लो थोड़ी सी. Also अगर मुझे लगता है, I might be wrong, कि ये patterns बन रहे हैं, you know, as a leader you get to know, यार रिजल्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है, एफर्ट लग रहे हैं, एफर्ट दिख रहे हैं, लग रहे हैं पता नहीं दिख रहे हैं, पर रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, तो फिर ये तो अब्यूजिंग सिस्टम हो रहा है, राइट. How are you managing? Because after point you must be a leader. ये तो individual कर लिया, फिर you are a leader, and when you are working from home and people in your office, you know, लैपटॉप खराब होता है, वीडियो नहीं चलती, you know, बारिश होता है, इंटरनेट हिलता है.
So if you have met Kamal, then you don't know. He can be strict at times also. And so I personally always felt that मुझे किसी के सामने कभी शर्मिंदगी नहीं महसूस होनी चाहिए. You know, that was my personal thing.
Self-consciousness
Yes.
and, yeah.
So because of that self-conscious thing also, I until date also. I mean, I know my team members of also often tell me, because when we have a meeting right in the morning, they're like, "Ma'am, आप बिल्कुल तैयार बैठे हो. How come?" I said, "That's been a habit since so many years now."
Very
So
nice.
I now, I mean, college board is a little different culturally, but जो habit है वो है. So वो बनी हुई है तब से. And maybe that was one of the reasons that Kamal has not given this work from home option till date to anybody else. It's
everyone,
only me,
yeah,
and then it was Mutta, but nobody else.
No, I so good. And in fact, I believe कमल जी साथ में बैठे हुए as a silent guest. उन्हीं की बात हो रही है, because मैं भी 2-3 बार मिला उनसे.
I would call him after this podcast and I will tell him more than me it was.
And this is, you know, this is what a good leader, you know, this is what a good human being can be, that if you are consistent with your thoughts and your deeds and you're building it up, whether you have built a unicorn or indicorn or whatever, it's irrespective, because another day if you're good, you will be talked good. If you're not
Absolutely.
so good, be it, right? हम तो कैमरे में कर रहे हैं, sorry. You know, let's talk about college board. एक तो college board करता है, मुझे pseudo understanding है, right? And I have no comms about it. Then I believe college board, of course, you have a, you know, assessment exam, SAT, and then AP. I would like to know more.
Sure.
Right? We work with ETS, PTE, you know, IELTS. You know, we are talking. So I know that you are one of the competitor for one of them, right? Exactly what does college board do? What is the history of college board? What are they doing and what are you doing at college
Sure.
board, and how you've been doing it?
Absolutely, I would love to talk about College Board. So, College Board is a not-for-profit organization. We started in 1900 in New York, in the US, and the basic intention is to give access for quality higher education to students across the world through various programs. One of them is the SAT. SAT is an exam for reading, writing, and math. And SAT अभी पहले क्या होता था? Only Indian students used to take SAT when they were wanting to go and study abroad. But now SAT is accepted by Indian universities also. So 50 plus universities are accepting the SAT.
So SAT is an undergrad.
For undergrad.
Yeah.
For undergrad.
So probably Ashoka, Flames.
Ashoka, Flame, Kriya, Manav Rachna, Shivnadar. I mean, all good private universities accept the SATs. And if a student is given the SAT, then they do not need to write separately a CUET also, a separately, you know, a university's entrance exam as well. They can skip all that and they can just show their SAT
So
scores.
then to this is very good for student parents. Rather than applying to different universities, you can give SAT.
Yeah.
SAT score can be accepted by all the good universities,
Correct.
right? All good is very subjective, but you're chosen or
All
you're
private
doing-
universities.
Private university. Achha, it's only been accepted by private.
Abhi to private.
And but you must be trying.
Because CUET is there in the system for the central universities. So, but we are trying.
What is CUT?
The central university and entrance exam.
मुझे बहुत कम चीज आती है तो
जो इंडिया में every student has to take a CUET who wants to go into a central university, जैसे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी हो गया, उसी तरह से जिस स्टेट में सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू इट तो CUET एंट्रेंस देना पड़ेगा.
So if I want to go to DU, is DU under Central University test?
Yes.
Okay. So like there is CAT for, let's say, you know,
MBA.
or GRE, you know, for MBA, you know, am I correct? Please correct कर देना मुझे, actually बहुत, this is not my, I'm not
GMAT है for
expertise,
MBA.
हाँ, है ना?
मास्टर्स में, हाँ.
राइट,
GRE for
मैंने GRE
research.
दिया तो
Yeah.
मैं IIMS में भी अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ, IISB में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ, इंटरनेशनल में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ,
Absolutely.
राइट. सिमिलरली अगर मैंने SAT दिया तो मैं अंडर के लिए I can apply to whatever private universities so far are aligning with, or probably what is the right word, on board accepted,
Yeah.
you know, so you can give one SAT exam for undergrad.
Yes.
That can be you accepted in Indian universities and international universities.
Absolutely.
Right? How is it easy, tough, you know, or how to crack it? You know, give me a hack. Okay, this is a real moment. Sorry. What is the, you know, give me 3 ways, 5 ways, you know, to crack SAT. You know, if you're an undergrad student who want to study in best university in India or internationally.
So download the Blue Book app from College Board website, and there you will find practice exams. And then we also have a partnership with Khan Academy. So Khan Academy has blogs, written material, videos, thousands of question items to practice on. So what I tell generally my students, or when I'm taking a session with the students, is that first take the practice exam on the Blue Book Blue Book app of College Board. When you see your improvement areas, your weak areas, then go to Khan Academy. Do those practice questions again. Required, then go through the chapter once again, whether through Khan Academy blogs or through your NCRTs or whichever book you have for your grade 10. Because basically, it's testing you for reading, writing, and math. And math कौन सा course है जो आपने grade 10 level तक पढ़ा हुआ है. So you can go back to your boards, go back to your tutor, or go to Khan Academy or any YouTube video. Concept clear करो. Do the improvement area questions again. Then do the second full length test. इसी तरह आप 7-8 प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट जब कर लोगे, यू विल हैव अ हैंग ऑफ 1600 में मेरे प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में कितने आ रहे हैं. सो वंस यू नो दैट you are above 1300, 1400 in a practice test, which means that you might be in a good spot while you give your actual SAT exam. So that's one way to do it. Second way to do it is, and this I often tell to parents and educators, is that PSATs or the pre-SAT.
Okay.
So PSAT or PSAT is taken in grade 8, 9, 10, and 11. So you can build up your structure. So you, in grade 8 itself, you are giving a PSAT, which means you are preparing yourself for the format, for the difficulty level, for the reading, writing, and math content structure of the SAT. So आप वो grade 8 में दे रहे हो, फिर grade 9 में भी दे रहे हो, फिर P10 भी दे रहे हो. So once you give 2-3 exams, then you start practicing for SAT. That becomes much, much easier. And we have done our research, which shows that, you know, if you are doing a lot of PSATs and then doing all these practice exams, you are at a much better position than people who have not taken any practice exam.
I'm very curious to go back and do this. आपने दिया?
मैंने आधा दिया है, आधा अभी मैं कर लूँगी पूरा, but that's a good question, मैं दे दूँगी.
मैं करना चाहूँगा, right? Because see, my journey is very, I'm very blessed. I was good into sports. पढ़ाई में ठीक था मैं, right? और वही रट्टा मार लिया. अब तो बोल सकता हूँ मार लिया, but इकोनॉमिक्स में टॉप कर लिया 10th में, 9th में, 10th में, फिर ICSE में टॉप हो गया. तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट अब तो इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स ही करनी है. 11 में मैथ्स ले ली. मैथ्स मेरी गोल हो चुकी थी बिकॉज मैंने कहीं ट्यूशन लगा लिया था किसी टीचर के साथ और उसने मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट बताया नहीं, उसने आंसर दे दिए, मैंने भी आंसर कर लिए. पास हो जाता तो रैंक 1 आती थी, फेल हो जाता तो रैंक नहीं आती थी. 12th में आई वॉज अ सेकेंड टॉप इन माई ICSE, बट वॉज इन अ ग्रेड, नहीं नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थे, 81, 82 थे अकॉर्डिंग टू DU, राइट. बट नाउ I would like to do this, you know, because many of my students, I'm not into education, I'm not a career counselor, absolutely, I don't want to do admission, you know. But now, so many of friends, family, students. Yesterday I was talking, someone of my friend from UK called up कि यार मैं लिवरपूल जाऊँगी, वर्जीनिया टेक जाऊँ. मैंने कहा मैं नहीं गया दोनों जगह, right? But then हाँ, I help them to bifurcate कि अच्छा UK, it seems you are more inclined towards UK, but it seems your kid is more inclined towards Virginia Tech, right? And these are the things which counselors don't ask, and they don't question. आ गया है बाहर भेजना है, राइट? अच्छा ये फैमिली ना यूके का इंग्लैंड है, यहाँ पे कर दो, राइट? तो दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नो वन इज राइट एंड रॉन्ग, बट यू नीड टू डू योर ओन रिसर्च. एंड नाउ with AI, with tools like Sabi, that's a plug for us. We have this AI powered ChatGPT, which you can do your initial, unbiased discovery, and then go to education partner. Like what you mentioned. I'm so glad I got a validation. Pre-sat करो, 2-3 साल करो, उसके बाद आप खान से और बेटर हो जाओ,
Yes.
and then apply करो. You will save money, right?
Absolutely.
So coming back to SAT only, क्या SAT क्या बोलते हैं?
पहले बोलते थे Scholastic Aptitude Test, अब नहीं बोलते.
क्या
कुछ.
बोलते हैं?
पहले बोलते थे Scholastic Aptitude Test, but
Elastic.
now Scholastic.
Scholastic.
But
क्या
now
मतलब
we
होता
do
है?
not call it anymore. We call it as SAT only. So we do not have any full form.
Scholastic
Aptitude
test.
But now we do not call that.
कहाँ से आया ये? What is Scholastic? Sorry if I'm putting you on a spot.
Really? So SAT started like in 1900 when the organization started. Many universities came together because they wanted a entrance exam for US military service at that point of time. And when they saw this was good, which was very effective, then they said, okay, why don't we have it for our own universities? That's how where it started from.
I tell you, I'm doing it purely and purely out of my curiosity to learn more about the industry.
Sure.
And it's so layered. So it's been 15 years now, almost 15 years, and 9 years, 10th year building university living. Most of my peer groups, most of people, I've realized that probably if they're doing ELTs, if they're doing payments, then they are expert of that. But market समझ आती है, ऊपर ऊपर से आती है. And it's so layered, pathways, now NEPs, now foreign campuses,
Yeah.
and it's keep you so stimulated, right? And I would definitely give a SAT. And अच्छा एक चीज और मैं कॉन्सेप्ट देख रहा हूँ, जैसे स्कॉलास्टिक एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट SAT बना, SAT बना, ऐसे IDP था, इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, IDP ब्रांड हो गया, SAT ब्रांड हो, ऐसा क्यों?
अब वो तो मुझे जाके
Probably
पूछना
आप team-
पड़ेगा
हाँ.
फाउंडर से.
we'll discuss this, and sorry, but would love to discuss this because
Sure.
and my little attempt to this. For the longest time, I thought fridge is a synonymous, but fridge was a brand. And this is my view also, and this is my attempt also, that university living should be accommodation. Accommodation है, university living करना है, right? Probably it might be coming from there. I don't know.
Maybe, but I don't know if you've noticed. SAT और जैसे Indian SAT बुलाते हैं इसको. SAT was only SAT, college board वाला SAT, but now when with all the universities coming in, everybody has started naming. वो
Their
initially अपना
synonymous,
होता है नाम
right.
और फिर SAT हो जाता है साथ में. So, but
Probably that's one of the reason.
Yes, but SAT
Probably
to
you have
SAT ही
trademark
था.
SAT and copyright SAT. Probably.
नहीं ये तो this was a earlier decision. This I'm talking about Indian universities that they have maintained it. Everything is like SAT. पहले अपना नाम आ गया फिर SAT आ गया
नहीं
साथ
और
में
बताओ.
for the entrance exam.
और बताओ.
But US में तो ये बहुत पहले से है. We stopped using Scholastic Aptitude Test for many reasons I am not aware about. But so now we call it only the SAT.
SAT.
In India, it's called as a SAT.
SAT.
But we call it as a SAT.
Okay, so every university, let's say they have their assessment exam, and then they add that and SAT.
No, I'm saying that has become a common thing, but it's not that we have asked them to do or they are doing on.
Which is
but
great.
we are noticing
हाँ,
that
which
this
is
is
also
happening.
which is also a great testimony of a brand SAT. Because मुझे SAT पता था, SAT पता था, but मुझे college board नहीं पता था.
College
Right?
board बहुत कम लोगों को पता होता है because we do not promote college board as a brand. We promote our products
Products,
because
right,
that's more
right.
important. That
Right.
student को जो चाहिए वो उसको दो rather than कहानी उसको सुना ऐसा कोई
But then also it's very important because student को SAT से मतलब है, but educators को पता होना चाहिए सब चीजें. Unfortunately नहीं पता होता, right? Probably I'm a bit fortunate to have a team which is on a weekday they are ensuring that numbers are happening and I can do this. But that's also a conscious choice. Lots of educators, education partners in India or abroad, they've been running at a lifestyle business. पैसा अच्छा है, control करेंगे. आपको perfect example and this is a shout out to everyone. Now I see that all the people in the industry, they are very open. They're very open for collaboration. They are giving opportunity their team members to represent, go foreign, fam trips and whatnot. But earlier नहीं होता था. और ये मैंने बहुत पैटर्न देखा कि और मैंने भी किया. हर जगह मैं ही नैप्सा जा रहा हूँ, मैं ही आईसेफ जा रहा हूँ, मैं ही एपाई जा रहा हूँ. एंड देन रियलाइज किया मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, मेरी तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी हो रही है, बट मेरी टीम की नहीं होगी, तो मैं probably I'll talk in a tangent. They will not understand. Right? That is also one of the options to do the podcast. That as a industry professional who want to grow, probably can tune in and watch this and probably share it and question it, so that probably it can be like a Khan Academy of study abroad industry. So coming back, is it expensive? What is the commercial of SAT? If I want to read to best of the undergrad university in India internationally, you are saying पहले तो आप अपने स्कूल के वो भी दो, फीस भी दो, एग्ज़ाम भी दो, फिर साथ साथ आप SAT भी करो, IIT की भी, जी की भी करो, एंड देन आप 12th तक पहुंच गए और आपका इंटेंट बना रहा, तो आप इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट डिसाइड करोगे. एंड विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस कि अंडरग्रेड इंडिया से करनी चाहिए, बाहर से करनी चाहिए. विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. टेकिंग दैट ब्लू ऐप इज फ्री. That downloading
the Blue Boot app is free. Do as many practice exams as you want. And reading and writing, nobody can develop in one day. So it's like your constant practice from your grade 6 onwards is what we would say. But yeah, taking the practice exams is absolutely free of cost.
And then that P10, that is also free?
So the practice exams are free, but not the actual exam.
Yeah. So actual exam, what are the commercials and how many time we can take it, and if we want to...
So SAT is administered 8 times a year. आप 8 बारी दे सकते हो. But
एक साल में?
हाँ, it is administered 8 times a year, but we are not asking the student to take it 8 times. So it's the student's wish. But I have seen students taking it at least 2 or 3 times to ace their score. Also because sometimes, it might not be a good day for me today. So reading, writing, अच्छा हो गया, maths अच्छा नहीं.
Good point.
So maybe, next time I can do it again. And then there are universities who say कि आप हमें सारे scores भेज दीजिए जितनी बारी आपने करा है SAT.
Oh, very nice.
And also because the scores go through the College Board website, so universities have the dashboard and they get to know, even if the student is lying to them, that a student has done it twice or thrice or once or whatever.
Very nice.
So, but in the application, university can say that you want to give your best score, you can do that also. Some universities say you can give your super score also. Super score क्या होता है? अगर मैंने May administration में मेरा reading writing score ज़्यादा अच्छा था and October administration में मेरा math score ज़्यादा अच्छा था, so I can give my reading and writing of May and math score of October. So that's called as a super score. So some universities say, okay, send us that. So
Very
there are various
interesting.
permutation combinations, but what we always tell a student is that whatever is your university, please log on to their website and see what they require.
Very nice. Very interesting concept. In fact, how much this cost per exam?
Yes, so this is $111 outside the US everywhere. However, for India, it's plus 18% GST as well, now that it started, but otherwise $111.
It's a premium test to take. If 18 GST is a premium test to taste. And of course, every test is $111.
Yes.
And is there a package like 2 लेते हो, 8 लेते हो? ऐसा कुछ
We do
नहीं है?
not believe in anything like this. However, we are very concerned about lower income group students. So that is something that College Board has for across the world, but especially for India, what we have done is we have vouchers, and that student can take it from Buddy for Study website also.
So low income, you can take a voucher.
Yes,
from
low income 90% voucher. So इसलिए we do not pressurize a student की or a student does not उनका pocket नहीं effect होता है. If they want to take up a SAT exam, they can take a voucher and go to the center and take a SAT exam. And then if a student has an annual income of 8 to 15 lakh per annum, they also get a voucher of 50%. So this is the facility that we are giving to Indian students only. और किसी भी country में across the world ये facility हम नहीं
ये abuse नहीं होता इंडिया में?
नहीं, because we have our standard checks and balances for this. So we
आपको
do
पता है
check the
आपको
documentation.
पता है जिसका ITR जो 5 करोड़ कमा रहा है इंडिया में, उसका ITR 5 लाख भी नहीं होता है.
हाँ, और वो जिनके farms होते हैं वो भी होता है, but still, I mean,
हाँ, and you
we
can't,
trust honesty.
yeah.
We trust people and we want to give our best.
Yeah.
So अगर किसी को abuse करना भी
And वो
can't really
2% ही
help
होते हैं, ऐसा हम लोग लगता है वो 2% होते हैं, बाकी people.
See, we have worked with
हाँ.
people like Swires, TSWREIS. So Swires जो है वो WREIS. Swires is a residential society in Telangana which works for people from humble background. So they pick up students from that root class students who do not even have 2 meals per day. and they take them to this educational society. वहीं पे वो रहते हैं, वहीं पे उनका खाना पीना, वहीं पे education होती है. We worked with them also, and it was such an honor when the students took the SAT. They took the vouchers, of course, took the SAT, gave the SAT, and then some of them really got very good scores. Out of those, some of them, about 7 of them applied to foreign universities and 2 in India as well. We got to know then one day that 2 students who had taken the SAT also got good scholarships, and they flew to the US for further studies.
Wow.
So there was an article in Telangana newspaper
Wow.
that from Redbus to Airbus, and which I generally quote it everywhere because I love this thing of my job, that you can give students this kind of an access and they can make their journey. They can change a household, they can change an entire society.
Totally.
Because once they go there, they come back, they of course will have a better status for their own family, and then they
Right.
can encourage other kids also. So all this we are doing, especially in India. Saurabh, yahi nahi hai. So once even a student, if they have, because this is a digital exam, so students need to take their own laptop. They have to go to the center and give the exam. तो अगर किसी के पास लैपटॉप है but they feel that it's not working very well, it might not have a good Wi-Fi, or I do not have a laptop, how will I go? How will I take the exam? We have a lending device feature also. So when you're registering for the SAT exam, you can say that I do not have a device. We will ask the test center to give you one. If they also do not have, we will ship one. वो हम कहाँ से शिप करते हैं? इस कॉलेज बोर्ड्स हेडेक. We do not charge the student. So we ship the device to the test center. The student can take the test, and the device we'll get it back. So that's also another support that we are giving,
Very
so that
interesting.
students do not feel handicapped कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है या मेरे पास device नहीं है. Whatever
good.
it is, we are going to support you.
Very, very,
That's the,
very good. In fact, there's a business lesson here, and there is, there is a goodness. In fact, unfortunately, या तो business को पेट्रेस्टर में चला देते हैं या फिर सारे businessmen चोर हैं. Right, but it can be done in amazing, right? So we have some hacks which I thought, starting podcast one of my hacks, because accommodation लोग नहीं बोलते थे, पूछते ही नहीं थे. I call accommodation like a cancer. अब मुझे नहीं होगा, और जब हो गया अब तो इतना लेट हो गया कि अब तो मन नहीं है, right? I went to Nottingham for my exchange program, did get my housing and stayed in a hotel, right? I got fortunate that I became an extended CEO over a 10 years time, right? But everyone not, right? And they should not, right? But what I realized that people don't talk about accommodation. Till the time is last minute. All they apply to accommodation last minute in June, July, August. Price go increase by 30-40%. You are not competing only with Indians. You are competing with Chinese. You are competing with local domestic students. And then you are like, oh, हमें मिला नहीं, हमारा experience अच्छा नहीं था, महंगा बहुत है, right? एक तो Indian early start. तो मेरे दो ही point था कि people should start early and they look beyond university halls, apply to university halls. Because most of your audience will be undergrad, so apply to university halls. But if I'm spending 2 crores for my undergrad, I don't want to share washrooms. As simple as that. If I'm from India, well-to-do family or financially, I don't want my daughter to be in the same mixed gender. I mean, that's a ethos, right? That's an Indian culture, right?
Yeah.
So start early and look beyond university halls. And that's how I thought, okay, we launched reports, we did podcasts, we do lots of content, social media, we work with B2B partners, B2C partners, B2I partners. It took us some time, but I'm saying where I'm coming from, there's a business lesson here wherein there's a mindset that, oh, SAT is for rich people. SAT is you need to have your laptop or you need to have device, or you need to pay to coaching and everything. And there's an option, and there's an option that you can go to Ghan Market, you can do on your own, you can have your device, and if you're good, you can go from Redbus to Airbus and change the journey of your family, from your society, for your district, country, state, whatnot, right?
Absolutely.
Coming back to your point, you're a mother, right? And that too of a teenagers or young kids. You're an educator, already part of education, and you're a leader,
Yeah.
who is enabling people to fulfill their dreams. ये भी मैंने अभी सीखा है. मैं तो बोलता हूँ accommodation करते हैं. अब मैं बोलता हूँ कि we are enhancing and enabling student experience. क्यों कोई बोलता था educating the word. तू एडमिशन करा रहा है, तू एडुकेशन वर्ड बोल रहा है, ठीक है, फेयर बिट, बट प्रॉब्ली इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी और इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज, for undergrad?
See, I would say that that's a very personal question.
That's
Even
why
if-
you can
yeah,
you can answer like a
it's-
mother.
Yeah,
You can answer like a leader.
it's a very personal, circumstantial, dependent question, because if somebody has knowledge, somebody also has an access to all the resources, somebody also has, money and power to pick up any university in India or abroad. It again depends upon the subjects that the person is choosing. It also depends upon the upbringing of the student, how comfortable a student will be going in for undergrad abroad. So all those things. So I would say, lot of factors that come into play. But education, kahin bhi ho, it should be done in a quality institute, is what I would say, and done with the very focus that padna hai. Everything else, part-time jobs and all are all good, but with a single focus of going for education. Even if you're going abroad, immigration should be the second point, but first is education for what you're going. That should be the focus wherever you are studying. And now Indian universities are also, coming up that are quality universities. So why not?
So where is your daughter studying?
Oh, my daughter is in University of Delhi because she wanted to do her undergrad in India, and she wants to now go for masters abroad. So
And-
then I'll come to you for accommodation.
Sure,
of
not
course.
only accommodation. We do lots of things. We do air tickets. We do everything
Yes.
post admission. We're not doing admission. So
And I feel you have a niche.
hmm.
The service is very niche. I mean, I've not heard many people doing it. So you are at a very good position for yourself, for your
Right.
organization.
Right.
And your team is lucky to have you as a CEO.
No, likewise.
who's,
So my next question is, you mentioned education, you mentioned quality education, institute and focus. As an educator or a part of education, is education important? Is
I would
formal
say
education
yes.
important?
Yes, because formal education is not just for getting jobs. Or formal education is also, I know there are many people who are dropouts and who are doing very well in their life, but it ecosystem hota hai, where you are building up your personality. I think their education is important, formal education is important. I know there are people who do homeschooling and who are doing
Thank you.
very well. And yeah, fully respect. So there is no black and white answer to it, but my personal choice is I would want to always see people going to formal setups so that they can have more than just a study material in front of them. They can have friends, they can play around, they can learn through indirect means of education also through those activities that are being done. So I am from an old school of thought, so I would always say that formal education is good. But then to get quality higher education, there are various things. So for your daughter, SIPs आपने की है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, उसको SAT भी दिलवाना. So advanced placement courses से भी, Indian students are, because advanced placement जो है वो these are first year courses that students do in high schools. तो अगर आप एक CBSE का बच्चा हो और आपके पास नॉर्मल स्ट्रीम्स हैं, आप चाहे साइंस में हो, और अब तो NEP की वजह से यू हैव सो मेनी सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस एज वेल, बट इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग टू अ यूनिवर्सिटी अब्रॉड एंड you know that money is, or
Not, it's not a problem.
I mean US जा रहे हैं तो फी हाई होती है, या यूरोप भी जा रहे हैं, या कनाडा भी जा रहे हैं. सो एडवांस प्लेसमेंट इज एन ऑप्शन वेयर if you're already clearing all those courses in your high schools, you
तो high
just show
school
them
is
the
10th.
scores. आप 9th के बाद कभी भी दे सकते हो, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Indian students मैंने देखा है 8th में भी दे देते हैं, but that is too much of a stress for a student. I would not like to do that. So AP courses, there are 40 of them, 40 plus courses. You can select any of them, but you should select it according to what your plan is. तो जैसे आपको अगर STEM major करना है, you can do AP Calculus, AB है, BC है. You can do these courses. You can show the scores. So उससे क्या होता है? The benefit is you do not have to sit for that course in your first year in the university. You can skip the classes, but the university should be that one which is accepting AP scores, of course.
ABP.
AP, Advanced Placement. So अगर वो university है which is accepting your AP scores, then you can skip the courses and you can go directly to advanced courses. या फिर आपको क्रेडिट्स भी मिल जाते हैं. सो दीज आर टू थिंग्स दैट हैपन. पर उससे होता क्या है, पेरेंट्स का पैसा बचता है और आपका टाइम बचता है.
एक एग्जांपल दो. Okay. Someone like you who have a privilege and so much of access of information, all that. Your daughter is 16 now.
My son is 16.
Son is 16, which means he must be in 8, 9, 10.
He is now in 11th.
11th, right? अब 4 साल से कॉलेज बोर्ड में, right? So did you ask him or did you
He is giving APs.
है ना?
Yeah.
तो आई एम कमिंग ऑन सी एज अ कॉलेज बोर्ड एंड आई हैव अ फर्म बिलीव, गलत है सही पता नहीं है, अगर मैं पेन यूज कर रहा हूँ ना, यू नो, देन आई डोंट फील इट्स अ सेल. आई एम यूजिंग इट, आई हैव डन माई रिसर्च, आई बिलीव इट्स अ राइट थिंग, एंड देन आई विल गो आफ्टर माई एवरीवन टू, भाई करना क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, राइट? हमें पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं,
हाँ.
हमें आइसक्रीम खाते हो बताते हो ये तो बड़ा अच्छा खा, हम इतनी सारी चीज़ अच्छी करते हैं, यू नो, वी प्रॉब्ली डोंट शाय, वी डोंट टेल पीपल, और वी से यार क्या बताना है, क्यों बताना है, राइट? एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक इंडिया एक ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट है, एक वो वाला एक इकोनॉमी है ना जहाँ पे ये तो शो ऑफ कर रहा है, राइट? वेयर एज आई बिलीव दैट नाउ व्हेन आई गेटिंग दिस, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग कि यार आप बता दो ये सब चीज़ें, is your son doing it?
Yes.
And they're
He's
doing it, that means
he's doing it.
you are eating what you are selling.
He's already done AP Physics. He's preparing for his calculus AB and BC, which he's going to give. क्योंकि AP का एग्जाम 80 साल में एक बार ही होता है, which is in May. So he'll give both these exams in May 2026.
So AP का एग्जाम एक ही बार होता है
May में.
मई में globally, right?
Globally.
It's
same
online.
date, same time.
It's online. Or
Online.
it's
नहीं ऑनलाइन नहीं होता, ये क्लासरूम में जा रही है. So 40 में से करीब 16 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो कि ऑनलाइन हो गए हैं, कुछ पूरे ऑनलाइन हैं. I will not use the word online, but digital.
Hybrid.
And some are hybrid, but the rest are still paper and pen. But even if they are digital, like SAT, you can't give it from home. You have to go to the test center and you have to take the exam there. So SATs भी आप घर पे नहीं ले सकते ना, आपको एग्जाम देने जाना.
Right.
Same for APs also.
तो you're saying 40 होते हैं और
40
साल में एक बार ही होता है. आप एक साथ एक साल में 40 दे सकते हो
नहीं 40 तो देने की हिम्मत कोई भी नहीं रखेगा.
2-3
आइडियली 4 या 5 सब्जेक्ट्स देने चाहिए.
year?
आई हैव पर ईयर नहीं, टोटल में.
अच्छा,
They are
Okay.
more than enough because these are rigorous courses. It's not easy to crack them. They are scored on a level of 5, but हर एक के 5 नहीं आते हैं. So people who really get 4 or 5 on 5 are supposed to be good. They are rigorous. You really need to
और
have a
इससे
lot of
स्कॉलरशिप भी
practice.
मिलेगी.
Scholarship नहीं मिलती, credits या advanced placement मिलती है.
But if I let's have an institute.
indirectly it saves your money basically.
And how, what is the assessment way, like on what this you assess? Is it rectification? And आप बोलोगे नहीं sorry, but
नहीं. So जैसे AP फिजिक्स का पेपर है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड मैग्नेटिज्म पे है. So you have to have you need to have applications based knowledge on that, not just cramming.
Very
वो
nice.
आपके लॉन्ग ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, आपके मल्टीपल चॉइस भी होता है. So you need to then reply to that.
is it too much for a kid in 8th, 9th, 10th?
For 8th, yes.
9th,
So
10th?
10th के बाद में थोड़ा मेंटल लेवल बढ़ जाता है, बट आइडियली यूएस के
अगले-
बच्चे 11th और 12th में देते हैं. इंडियंस बिकॉज
9th,
स्पेशली
8th, 9th.
CBSE students they start giving it
And
in
only
grade
CBSE
9.
can give, ICSE,
Anybody
IB,
can give.
anyone.
Anyone
Cambridge
can
कोई
give.
भी दे सकता है. So is it right way to say, and please challenge me, master class for 2 parents, you know, who've been doing this and who would like to tell my team or my family,
Yes.
and you know, एक स्कूल का वे है कि यार अपने स्कूल में they're best of the schools, you know, I don't want to rub it wrong way, but still cramping number, that's how it works, and it will continue to work because you can't, आप 1 to many कर सकते हो, बट उसको कितना ही जज कर लोगे तो मार्क्स तो आने ही पड़ेंगे. 10th में आपने ग्रेड हटा दिया, कुछ भी कर दिया, बट अब सबके 99% आ रहे हैं, सभी फिर वो DU में सब कोई किसी को नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स गेटिंग बेटर, बट दैट्स अ फ्लिप साइड ऑफ व्हेन यू लिव इन अ country of 1.4 billion,
Absolutely.
right? 40
Competition is
million
there.
students every time. Is it, let's say, my daughter's name is Faith, right?
Very nice name.
Yes, तभी मैं बताता हूँ. But where I'm coming from कि ठीक है, you know, शुरू से ही मिडिल क्लास की तरह पैसे जॉब सेव कर लेंगे, एटलीस्ट वो चॉइस ले सकती है. बिटवीन मी एंड भावना आई बिलीव होम ट्यूटिंग बहुत बढ़िया है, बट मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. यू नो, माई फर्स्ट बेबी इज यूनिवर्सिटी लिविंग, you know, and unfortunate to a father to a entrepreneur, unfortunately, or I don't know. Home tutoring, like ideally, but I also believe that formal education important. उस दिन संजीव सर ने भी बड़ा अच्छा पॉइंट किया कि तेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है स्कूल, तूने सबसे ज़्यादा किससे सीखा है, स्कूल फ्रेंड से या नेटवर्क से, एंड यू नो, राइट? गलत भी उनसे सीखा.
और मेनली बिकॉज हमारे टाइम पे होम स्कूलिंग होती भी नहीं थी इतनी, वो तो अब एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू हुआ है होम स्कूलिंग का. सो ऑब्वियसली आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, बट बेस्ट फ्रेंड है तो सही ना. होम स्कूलिंग में वेयर विल यू फाइंड बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स?
नहीं, आई हैव अ वे टू इट, यू नो. जो होम ट्यूटरिंग कर रहा है वो मतलब उसका टाइम है थोड़ा सा, पैसा है थोड़ा सा,
वो
मोस्टली.
आपके बच्चे के पास है ना, बाकी
नहीं,
बच्चों
मैं
के पास तो
होम
नहीं है
ट्यूटरिंग
ना.
कर रहा है. हाँ, उस पे आता हूँ.
हाँ.
Then you can take them to swimming classes, you can take to Healthy Planet, you can take to reading classes, whatever, right? And then I say, अब तो आप जो स्किल सीख रहा है उनसे मिलवा रहे हो. That means they are driven, you know. So there's a way to it. Practical है, आई डोंट नो, सबके लिए बिल्कुल नहीं है. मैं कर सकता हूँ नहीं, यू नो, बिकॉज आई एम इन लव टू बिल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी लिविंग, यू नो, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम वेरी क्लियर इवन व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड, लाइक भाई तू एंटरप्रेन्योर से शादी कर रही है जिसे पता नहीं क्या होगा, राइट. बट नाउ आई हैव अ हैक दैट फेथ, आप स्कूल में जा रहे हो, आप अच्छी एथिक्स एंड वैल्यू हम दे सकते हैं, पढ़ना आपको है, रट्टा मत मारना, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना, एंड कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करके हो सकता है मार्क्स कमाए स्कूल में, बट कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर के अगर ऐसे कोर्सेज हैं और आपको क्रेडिट मिल रहे हैं, नॉट ओनली टू सेव मनी, बट यू विल एबल टू गेज योर एप्लीकेशन और लर्निंग इन अ रियल life or a more comprehensive assessment
You
plan.
will also save money because I have seen students who have taken the AP courses and they have done their graduation of 4 years in 3 or 3.5 years. So, एक सेमेस्टर का भी पैसा अगर बच रहा है डॉलर्स में, it means a lot of lakhs of rupees. So
And
you
time.
definitely save money and time.
टाइम, चलो टाइम तो हो जाता है कि मतलब आपने पहले पढ़ लिया बाद में कम पढ़ा, वो तो लाइफ सब बराबर हो जाती है, बट
नहीं, पहले तो आप पढ़ रहे हो, उसी में पढ़ रहे हो ना कि आपको 12 years of schooling तो करनी ही करनी है, उसी में आप ये भी कर रहे हो. So you save that time of that.
interesting. So thank you for giving me a personal master class, you know, to save money and to
Anytime.
you know push my family and my daughter and making her life more
So
probably.
when Faith is in grade 8, तो आप मुझे फिर याद कर लेना and then I'll give her all the master classes.
ये वीडियो की दिखा देगी उन्हें, आपका टाइम बचाएगी. But what do you suggest? Like you one your daughter is like undergrad यहाँ से.
हाँ, my son wants to do for undergrad abroad, so I'm okay with that.
वो
too.
इसलिए भी है कि आपकी भी इनकम बढ़े जा रही है और आपकी एस्पिरेशन बढ़े जा रही है.
Maybe,
बड़े
but
बड़े बच्चे के हमेशा दिक्कत होती
I
है.
said yes for my daughter also, and of course we had to take a loan. Loan भी पास हो गया था, सब कुछ. The day we had to transfer the money, she said नहीं. I want to do it.
वो इसलिए कि उन्होंने देखा कि माँ बाप लोन ले रहे हैं और इतना they will go through pain, you know, and I can
एक
like
comfort level भी होता है सौरभ. मुझे लगता है कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो होते हैं कि नहीं मैं कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी, I'll do everything on my own. And some also want, जैसे मेरे को भी था when I was growing up, that I don't want my parents to spend money even if they had or didn't have whatever. But I didn't want that. That I wanted to be a self-made person. Maybe my daughter thinks like that.
आपको नहीं लगता
My son is like a clear. ठीक है यार,
जेंसी
तुम्हारे
ज्यादा
पास
है
है तो तुम
हाँ.
करो.
और गलत भी नहीं है, गलत भी नहीं है.
बात कर दो.
You know, आपने 18 साल वर्क फ्रॉम होम किया है, 4 साल वर्क होम कर रहे हो. You know, you've been decking up every morning and you know sincerely disciplined होके आप काम कर रहे हो. तो any other question, any other observation, suggestion, feedback, you know?
No, I think you're doing a great job and fabulous office.
Thank you.
Lovely team.
For sure.
And wonderful to
We'll
meet
fight, but
all of
on
you.
the camera we'll say we are lovely. Like,
Wonderful to meet all of you. And good luck for all your future endeavors.
No, thank you so
And
much.
I'm sure that you'll do great.
I
With this
mean-
positive attitude, I'm sure anybody would do great.
thank you so much. I believe we just started and you know long way to go. Last bit segment, rapid fire. What is your vision for College Board in this region? How you are supporting Indian education or international education? How you see on NEP? What is your view on this current international branches cropping in?
Okay, too many questions, and I'll try to answer all of them. So, what I do at College Board is basically expand the College Board programs in this region. And my region is not just India, so it's India, the entire South Asia, which means Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan also, and also Central Asia, which is all the 8 tans that you have. So, but majority of the business comes from Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. So my region of South and Central Asia, I would like to expand more of the College Board programs there, but it's not in terms of numbers. So I was telling your team member in the morning that, you know, College Board, we do have goals and we also have numbers, our monthly or annual or whatever goals that we have, but we do not run after only numbers. For us, access and equity to a student is very important. So a student should get a quality
Access and equity.
equity. Yes. So students should get a seat in a good quality higher education institute. That's very important for us. So
very
even
good,
if
very
a school in Kyrgyzstan and just one school in Kyrgyzstan says that, okay, I want to run the advanced placement courses. So will you ship? Because all these AP exams come from US and they are shipped back to US. Even if it's one student in one school in Kyrgyzstan, we will still do it.
But but ठीक है.
that's the-
See, अब you're a leader, right? As a business, it doesn't make sense. Even मैं चाहता हूँ
But
करना.
we are a not-for-profit, so it's not.
It's also
that
because
we
of
are
the.
only
It's also because
becoming-
of the. You have a luxury. You have a blessing of US government.
Of course.
Your luxury, of course, a legacy of being 125-year young institute.
But that's what
ये
the
शुरू से
vision
था.
is.
ये शुरू से था.
ये शुरू से था, and that's what the vision is. That's
तो
what
मैं
we
मतलब गवर्नमेंट को
built
बोलूँ
for.
कि मैं बोलूँ कि गवर्नमेंट के साथ काम करूँ so that मैं बहुत सारी चीज कर पाऊंगा जो.
पर हम गवर्नमेंट के साथ नहीं उतना काम करते हैं.
But grants आपको grants तो गवर्नमेंट से मिल रही है.
US में. So like it's Bhutan.
Hmm.
Bhutan is is a very closed country.
Right.
They do not entertain a lot
Right,
of international exams. But Bhutan, we are having a first SAT test center now, and which will soon start. So which means the educators are now getting interested for international exams, and they feel the students might also be interested to have these kinds of exams and then go and pursue overseas education elsewhere, or even come to India for that matter. So even these small things matter a lot because every time in a complete region, sometimes one country is doing very well, the other country might not. But if India has a down, then maybe Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan help me in the numbers. So that doesn't happen in one day. So I am working for in Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan since the time I joined College Board. So it's been 3.5 years now, and now we have started looking at good numbers there. So similarly, it
How
might
many
be
students
Bhutan, it
from
might be
India takes
Kyrgyzstan.
SAT?
So I cannot give you a exact number. It's
Percentage of the people who take who your peer group ETS GRE and
So
what is
GRE
second
is
exam?
for postgrad.
What is second exam of
GMAT is also for postgrad.
एक और है ना जो अंडरग्रेड का है
undergrad में और एक SAT है, and then we have ACT.
ACT or ACT is of is from
ACT
ETS.
is also no. ACT is a separate company. So ATS
अच्छा, ACT
हमारे
is
साथ ही
that,
काम करते थे बहुत closely.
अच्छा.
As College Board and ETS used to work together. And in the initial days, College Board बनाता था paper and ETS used to administer the test. But now with digital coming into picture, we do it ourselves. We do not need any.
अच्छा तो ETS was your distribution and you were content creation,
yes.
right? And ACT is by whom?
ACT is
mother company?
now they have been bought by a private investor. So,
Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
but in India, SAT rules.
Okay.
is what I would
Undergrad,
say.
right?
Yes.
90+%.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
But it took some time. Good,
It took
some years,
time.
and leaders like
Absolutely.
you.
It took some time. But now numbers are increasing. No doubt. To be very
और क्या
frank
number
and
बढ़ाओगे?
candid.
Already 90% हो.
नहीं. To be 90%.
But now you want to increase the pie.
Of the market share, but
you want to
not
increase the pie.
every student is taking the SAT.
Right.
We definitely want to increase the pie.
So let's say if there are 40 million Indian students who get enrolled,
नहीं,
you know,
अभी भी thousands में देते हैं is what I would say. We want to be triple digit thousand figures. Right now we are in double digit thousand figures is what I can say.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ डबल डिजिट कितना होता है. Back to your overall wrap up.
So this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to also build up our partnerships with people like Swirus, where we can work with underprivileged students so that we can give them access. At the same time, we are also working with premium universities like Ashoka, Flame, Kreya, and now with new emerging universities like Nayanta also, which is coming up in Pune. And your question about TNE or the transnational educations, when universities are coming to India, we see a lot of positive value in it because these are top 200 universities. So as per NEP or as per the government also, ऐसे ही कोई university आके campus नहीं खोल सकता. They have to be in top 200. And if a university is in top 200 in their home country, which means most probably they would be using either the SAT or the APs in their home country. So which makes us at a
Win-win.
good position. But then it depends यहाँ पे वो कितना filter रखना चाहेंगे because the fee structure would be high. And then despite the high fee structure, do they want an additional barrier to it that you should do an SAT or you should do an AP? That is to be seen, but we are working on it and we are very positive about it. So, but as an Indian, I feel proud of it that we are becoming an education hub and we are having all these universities coming to India.
Why did you choose to come on this podcast?
Because I've heard you before. We met a couple of times in different events, but I also like the journey that you have. That's a wonderful journey. And being in a startup myself, I know that, how hard and how you've grown through all these years. and where can you be. So I like the
तो अब
journey
बेचारा कर अब
specifically.
बेचारा करके आएगी बेचारा एक फाउंडर
नहीं
है
नहीं
help
बेचारा करके नहीं. I was very encouraged. See,
Yeah.
मैंने भी कभी एक entrepreneur बनी थी for about couple of years, but like I said, that is a nice spirit.
Right.
So that never goes. An
Right.
entrepreneur is always
Very
an
nice.
entrepreneur,
Very-
whether
so true.
he or she is working. So
With
I always respect.
I always say with. You know, people say under, and I always say people
With.
work with.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. So I always respect entrepreneurs, and especially people who have really succeeded in their own journey is a true mark for respect for me.
Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you
Thank
to
you.
Meenakshi and my team. I always say that please, if out of that 1 hour, 2 hours, even आपको 5 मिनट को अच्छा लगा, you know, या 2 मिनट अच्छा लगा या नहीं अच्छा लगा, please do share your feedback, troll us, engage, comment, share. But unfortunately, it's a fact of life that the more views we get, the more better guests we get. The more guests we get, the better content we get. The more content we'll get, YouTube will push it. YouTube will push it, again more views. So it's a life cycle. And for that, I need to say this: that please do share, do like, do engage, do comment. Otherwise, बुरा लगता है तो भी ट्रोल तो करो यार, ट्रोल तो करो, मजा आता है ट्रोलिंग में. एंड थैंक यू सो मच.